Well friend, good morning. Again I am back to questions. I hope you have revised my all by 7 earlier videos on vectors which I have taken the question from IIT Main friends. And if you do the practice, you will be able to get better marks and rank will be top. So friend, let me go for the 2-3 more questions today in this video. Hope you will understand and enjoy the doing this question. Please do practice. That is only one solution for that. My one question is let A is equal to what? Let A is equal to 3i plus j, B is 1i plus 2j plus k, and given C is a vector, C be a vector satisfying what condition? A cross B cross. I told you this vector triple product is important to go and remember. And if B and C are collinear, they are not parallel, non-parallel. Okay, not parallel. It means this will not be equal to 0. That's what you want to say. Then what lambda is equal to? Then it says what lambda is equal to. And answer is equal to -5. Let me talk this. This is in the case of B and this is the C. This is A dot C and this is A dot B. And this is equal to B plus my lambda C. Therefore, this is equal to A dot B is equal to minus lambda. What is A dot B is? A dot B is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So lambda is equal to -5. My question, simple question to do. Lambda is equal to -5. This is the question, nothing to ask, but you must know what is A cross B is equal to what is A cross B. A cross B cross C is equal to what is can be explained in terms of B and C plane, and that we have got it. This is the question I want to do today in the vectors. The first question of today. Second question, let me talk. Second question is here. Let A and B be any two vectors. Be any two vectors such that what is A plus B square is equal to A square plus 2B square. Okay, done. This condition. Second is A dot B is equal to 3 and A cross B magnitude square is equal to 75. Then what is the magnitude of A square? That is my question. And answer is equal to somewhere 14. Prove this is equal to 14. This is equal to 14. My question is, I have to find the magnitude. Let me talk about this. What is magnitude of A plus B whole square is equal to? Is equal to A plus B or dot A plus B. A plus B dot A plus B is A dot A is magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square and plus twice of A dot B. And this is given equal to magnitude of A square plus twice of magnitude of B square. Friend, okay, cut with this, and this is magnitude of B square is equal to twice of A dot B. A dot B given is equal to 3. Therefore, magnitude of B is equal to under root 6. Well, I got magnitude of B is equal to under root 6. What I find out? I have to find out magnitude of A square. Well, friend, I go to the next given condition. So let's what the magnitude of B is equal to I found. Let me write here. I found magnitude of B is equal to modulus of. Look at here. A dot B is equal to magnitude of A square, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and cos theta between them is equal to 3. That means magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square cos square theta angle between them. What is this equal to? Magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square, sine square theta is equal to 75 given. Now divide sine square theta upon cos square theta is equal to square, I made it 9, square is equal to 75 divided by 9. Okay, this is here. Tangent square theta is equal to, tangent theta is equal to 5 upon root 3. I didn't need of course, I didn't need a modulus of this. I have no idea about this. This cancelled. I don't need, no need for this, find out this. So what is tangent theta is equal to, I'll be using, because I'll be using it. Tangent theta is equal to what? 5 upon under root 3, and this is equal to 28 under root. Cos theta is equal to root 3 upon root 28. Let me put it here. Modulus of A square is into 6 into 3 upon 28 is equal to 9. 3s are 9 and 3 2s are and 14. Modulus of A square is equal to 14. Well, this is how I got. I need it. I thought I'll not be needing, but I need it. This is how the question is. Question is given in IIT Main 2022. This question as well. This is given, use sine square theta, cos square theta. Using this concept, find the modulus. 3 things are given, 3 candidates are required, because a modulus of A square is equal. We should know the B, we should know cos theta, then we can find modulus of A only. So this is the one question. My final question on vectors. Friend, I have done this episode. Before this 8th episode, on my page you will find elementary vectors video about 5-6 that concern to the NDA question. Let A is equal to 2I plus j plus 3k. B is the vector is equal to 3I plus 3j and plus k. C is another vector, C1I, C2 into j plus C3 into k. Well, friend, they are coplanar. When they are coplanar, it means that scalar triple product is equal to 0. Second thing is given that A dot C is equal to 5 and B is perpendicular to C. This condition, then prove that, then find the value of 122 C1 plus C2 plus C3, and it comes out to be what? This is the question. Friend, here I go. Since they are coplanar, therefore 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, C1, C2, C3, I'll get a, this is equal to 2 into C3 minus C2 plus 1 into C1 minus C3 plus 3 into C3 C2 minus 3 C1 is equal to 0. 2C2, 2C3 minus 2C2 plus C1 minus C3 plus 9C2 minus 9C1 is equal to 0. 8C1 or plus 7C2 or this is plus C3 is equal to 0. It means 8C1 minus 7C2 minus C3. This is the one equation. Second equation, A dot C is equal to this. A dot C means 2C1 plus C2 plus 3C3 is equal to 5. And third equation is B is perpendicular, therefore dot product of the 3C1 plus 3C2 and plus C3 is equal to 0. Well, friend, solve for C1, solve for C2, solve for C3. Solution, you can take here C3 and C3, that is C3. C3 here is 1. A dot C is equal to 5 and 3C3. Well, okay. Well, C3, C3 here, you can combine the add them, find C1, C2, and that you can do. So you can solve these two equations, solve these equations. I'll find C1 will be equal to 10 upon 122 and C2 will be equal to minus 85 by 122, and C3 will be equal to 225 by 122. You can solve, put the value, and you will get the answer is equal to 150. When you put this value, this is it. So you can do these questions. Well, in the end, I tell you, I had done the 8th episode on the IIT vectors, though has been asked in 2022, containing all concepts. My request to you to go through this complete 12th class questions and these in these all episode questions, write down, note down, and do the practice. Hope you will understand. My next topic will be 8th episode on 3-dimensional, containing 4 questions each. I will be dealing 32 questions of solid geometry of 3-dimensional, and hope you will enjoy. Kindly go through the 12th class 3-dimensional geometry. I will not be able to give the concept, basic concept on this. Kindly go through, and then you will appreciate how the simple questions are being asked in IIT Main. It is not how at all. You just have to apply for a minute. Thank you for today's. I hope you will revise the vectors. Thank you.